Hey guys, I'm back and I've got all my stuff ready to cook some chicken in my new Instant Pot. I just opened it up a little bit ago and read a little bit of the instructions. I looked at a couple of videos, but most importantly, I called my friend Kim, who is an expert at this, and she gave me a super quick and easy recipe. We're gonna make chicken tacos, so shredded chicken, I'm guessing. We'll see how it turns out. It's very simple, very few ingredients. We've got frozen chicken. We've got a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. And I have a cup of salsa. And I had a little bit of pico left from last night, so we're gonna go ahead and use that. If you cook in the Instant Pot, you're supposed to have water in it, but since we are cooking frozen chicken and we're using the salsa, we're not going to be putting any water in it, and it's supposed to be ready in like 15 minutes. We're supposed to have a good meal. So let's go ahead and put the chicken in. And it's kind of stuck together because it's frozen. And there we go. I kind of separated it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go wash my hands real quick. Okay, so we've got the chicken in here, and we're going to add the salsa. Add a little bit of pico. And I'm going to mix these spices real good. So it's just chili, salt, and pepper, and that's it. Sprinkle them in there. Oh, and I have 6 chicken breasts in here. 6 frozen chicken breasts. Okie dokie. So we're done with that. Now we're going to close it up. Once again, looking for my arrows here. It's imperfect. It's locked. And I'm going to hit manual. And it's on 15, which is exactly the number of minutes that we need. And after we set it to 15, we're going to wait for just a second. It's beeping that it's on. And now we wait. Sounds like it's almost done. And there it went. Button's down, which means we are good to go. We can open it. Okay, so we're gonna open it now. I'm gonna turn it this way. We're gonna see what we got. Oh my goodness, we've got some yummy looking chicken. Oh, it smells really good. Let's see what we got here. We have some perfectly cooked chicken. This will be great for tacos. I have to try it, but I'm guessing it's going to be very, very hot. It looks absolutely perfectly cooked. Very white on the inside. No issues there. So I'm going to take it out of here and I'm going to shred it, and then we'll show you a really quick picture of what it looks like in the end. Okay, let's try this. It's really good. I can't believe that. We just cooked frozen chicken in 15 minutes. That's amazing. So it is finished now. Here's our shredded chicken. It tastes really good. We're just gonna heat up some tortillas and make us some chicken tacos for lunch.